Hi everyone, good morning. I don't know if it's morning time where you are, but it's basically 8:45 where I am right now. So good morning, welcome to my channel. My name is Irene if you're new here. Today I'm doing Empties video. I've been collecting a couple products for a while now and I just want to get them off my hands and share them with you. In this video I'm going to be breaking up the products in categories. So in the beginning I'm going to be talking about skincare, then body care, then hair care. If you want to know about all three, just watch the entire video, but I will break it up into segments just to keep things more organized, you know. So without further ado, let's just get into the video. The first product I'm going to talk about is this sample size of the Ole Henriksen. I don't even know if that's how you say it, but it's the Truth Serum. It's supposed to be collagen boosting and like a vitamin C to help brighten up your spots and things like that. And if you know anything about this brand, you know that they are not cheap, and I'm glad that I got a small size of it because it did absolutely nothing for my skin. And apparently I'm not the only one. I have a friend that has used this as well and it did nothing for her either. So I mean, granted, I used it up because y'all know I don't like wasting, but it did absolutely nothing. It basically just smells good. It smells like an orange sickle. But as for brightening my face and evening out my skin tone, it did absolutely nothing for that. This skincare product is the Bobbi Brown Vitamin Enriched Face Base. This is supposed to be used as a primer, which I did use it for, but I kind of find myself using it as a moisturizer at some point because I feel like it's really multi-purpose. I do like this primer because you don't even really feel it after you put it on. It kind of just sinks into your skin and makes your face feel like more hydrated, ready for whatever step you want to do afterwards, like whether that's put on sunscreen or put on your makeup, whatever. I do feel like it smooths out and kind of hydrates my face. And if you're the type of person that doesn't like primers that are tacky or like dry feeling, then you'll probably like this one because I don't usually like primers that are tacky or sticky or things like that. So this one is really good at hydrating and smoothing out your skin before you put on makeup. Next is this Morphe Continuous Setting Spray. This is my second empty bottle of this, and this is probably one of my favorite setting sprays just because it comes out so nicely. It's a continuous setting mist, so it's not something that you have to keep on pumping. It just sprays out into a really nice fine mist. I love how it distributes on my skin and makes my makeup look really good afterwards. So if you haven't tried this before, I would highly recommend. It's really good. The last product that I'm going to talk about for skincare is this Tingling Mud Mask by Rosen Skincare. This is a black-owned skincare line that I was using for a little while. I do like this mud mask because it really helped to reduce whatever breakout I was having at that moment. Like it really, you know, reduced the inflammation and made it less painful because I usually get hormonal breakouts like around my chin. So if I put this on at night and then leave it on for like 10 minutes or whatever until it gets hard, and I wash it off, by the next morning the bump has definitely reduced. It's not as red, it doesn't hurt as much, and it also prevents future breakouts from happening. So I do like this. It's not a mask that I would use every day, but if you are breaking out and you want to use something like once or twice a week, I do recommend. Next, we're moving on to body care. First, I'm going to talk about this Hum Private Party. I take this vitamin every single day. This one is empty. I have like a recurring subscription, so you don't have to worry about reordering your vitamins, or if you still have some vitamins left, you could skip to the next month or whatever. So I like how you have some control over it. I've been taking them for maybe 3 months or so. This helps to support yeast balance and vaginal and urinary tract health, so I take these every day, just one. I actually have a coupon code for Hum, so if you want to check that out, it would be in the description box. I'm pretty sure you get $10 and I get $10 for referring you. So a couple months ago, my mom gave me this activated charcoal toothpaste because I used to brush my teeth with charcoal back in the day, and so she figured that I would like this, and I did actually like it. It was a nice introduction to non-toxic toothpaste, and basically every ingredient in here you could pretty much recognize. I was using it, it was completely empty, but it was really messy. Like when you would spit out the toothpaste, black would splash everywhere, so I would have to clean up like my vanity after every single time I used it, which was kind of annoying. But I don't think it whitened my teeth that much, maybe a little bit, but it definitely helped to like keep my mouth fresh and things like that. I just wouldn't repurchase it because it's so messy, and I don't feel like cleaning my vanity every single time I brush my teeth, because even when I would try to like spit directly down the drain, it would just splash everywhere. So I would not be repurchasing this. Instead, I looked into a different activated charcoal toothpaste that's non-toxic, and this is from Hello. They have a couple different kinds of toothpaste, but I got the activated charcoal with fresh mint and coconut oil. It's supposed to be whitening, and it's also fluoride free. All the bad stuff, it's not in here, so I can appreciate that. And I do really like this toothpaste. One, because it's non-toxic, and both of these toothpastes are made with activated charcoal, so they're black. So when I spit this out, it doesn't get everywhere, and it's just, it does what it needs to do. So this is what I've been using, and it's completely empty. I would repurchase this. But I recently purchased Jada Pickett's new toothpaste. I think it's called Hey Human. So that's the toothpaste I'm using right now, but this is a good one just to have, you know, if you want to switch things up. I do like this one as well. This is the Rogio Don't Despair Repair Deep Conditioning Mask. This is like a little sample size that went a pretty long way, I must say. So if you don't know, I have high porosity hair, and I need to make a better habit of incorporating protein into my hair routine. And this is supposed to be a strengthening mask. It has vitamins and biotin in it, some protein in it as well to help, you know, strengthen your hair. And I did feel like even just using it once, my hair did feel like it was more strengthened. It's not necessarily a strong protein treatment. It's more something to keep your hair balanced in between protein treatments. So I would continue on using this. I should get a full size of it. I'm pretty sure it's sold at Sephora, and it's black owned. I finally finished my Emerge Main BFF leave-in conditioner. I have talked about this like a bunch of times on my channel. This product was super affordable. It was like $6 or $7 from Target. I picked it up because it said it was formulated without like all the bad stuff, no parabens or phthalates, silicones, chemicals, you know, all that stuff. I think this is a good leave-in conditioner for the summertime because it's lightweight. It has like a thick lotion type consistency. So yeah, I think it was really good for the price, and you get a lot. Like, this product probably lasts me a little less than a year. So I honestly don't know how this would be for like thicker hair, but if you have like fine to medium density hair, then you would probably like this. This is the Maui Moisture Thicken and Restore Bamboo Fibers Conditioner. It's supposed to be for weak, brittle hair. You guys have seen me talk about this as well. Honestly, it does what a conditioner is supposed to do. It definitely softens my hair. It has some slip to it. I don't have any complaints about it really. Yeah, it's just a regular conditioner. It's alright. This is the Maui Moisture from that same line, but this is their fortifying mask. This is okay as a deep conditioner. I didn't really like it that much. I thought I liked it at first, but then after using it a couple times, it didn't soften my hair. Like, I can tell when products are really penetrating my hair strand and moisturizing my hair from the inside out, and I feel like this was just doing surface layer stuff. So it's okay. I started using it as a pre-condition because I don't like to moisturize I don't like to shampoo my hair on dry hair. Like, I don't just like to jump in the shower and start shampooing. So recently I started like conditioning my hair first and then shampooing and then deep conditioning. So, and that's been working out pretty well for me. So to pre-condition my hair, I have been using this. It works good. Like, it gives me slip and moisturizes my hair so that the shampoo doesn't strip it too much. So I think for that purpose it's good, but as a deep conditioner alone, like after shampooing and stuff, there are better deep conditioners out there in my opinion. So I probably won't be repurchasing this for that purpose specifically. And that is all I have to talk about today. If you guys have tried any of the products I've mentioned, tell me in the comment section what your experience was with them. I'm curious to know. And I hope you enjoyed this video. As always, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.